So this is the "What are you waiting for" video. Come on! You've seen all these other videos, or you've seen some of them. There's great student reviews. You could get financial aid if you can't afford the price of the course. You know, you get amazing resources. You have an instructor with over 2 decades of experience teaching people how to use this, how to program. And so this is a great class. I think it's the best class in the entire world. There's tens of thousands of other students who would agree with me, who have left amazing reviews. So you've got a ton of great reasons to take this course. But last and I was going to say first and foremost, but last and also important is a satisfaction guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose by taking this class. You get a 14-day money-back guarantee. So you could jump into the class, you could try it out. If you find it's not for you for whatever reason, like, you know, you need to learn in a different way, you realize, hey, I really need a book, then, you know, fine, just, you know, request a refund, we'll give you your money back. So you have nothing to lose by taking this class. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. First 14 days, if you don't like it, you get a full refund. So enroll in this class now, click that buy button. It's a risk-free proposition. You're only going to win. This is an incredible class. It offers amazing potential for you to advance your career. It's the best programming language that you can learn today. So there's all kinds of reasons. And I share all this because there's a sea of misinformation out there. And a lot of people give you information about, hey, take this, take that. They try to sell you something, and I definitely am also trying to sell you something. But what they're selling you isn't the best thing. And I know with absolute certainty, right? 2 decades teaching at the college and university level. I know with absolute certainty that this is the best language you can learn today. It's absolutely the best language you can learn today. So, and that's my conviction. And there's some also close runners, but this is the #1 to me. And that's after 2 decades teaching at the college and university level, tenured professor in California, right? So I've had some experience in this arena. So this is the best class you can learn. You got a satisfaction guarantee. And you have nothing to lose by taking this class. So click that buy button, enroll, and I look forward to seeing you in class.